When I knew I was going to need to replace my roof, the first people I thought of were Couto, because my realtor recommended them. I liked their ads. When I called them, the guys came in and they were incredibly impressive and professional. As you can see, this is a very complicated roof. They did the whole job from start to finish in 2 days. They were polite, efficient, professional, great bunch of guys. And what I was most impressed with, at the end of the day, as it was getting dark, they went around with flashlights looking to pick up every single piece of debris on the property. Next morning, it was perfect. I gotta tell you, they did a great job. I'm really happy with them. There's a lot of roofers out there. They impressed me with the quality of what they want to put in, and they delivered on it. The roof looks great. I'm assuming it's going to outlast me because it was done right. These guys have been around. They clearly do very quality work. I don't know what else I can say about them. You know, they're guys. I'm very happy I called them. I would use them again in a minute. Anybody wants to call me about them, I'll give them a reference.